The Deep is an aquarium based in Hull that started in 2002. We're a Millennium funded project. We have a huge amount of different species of fish, green swordfish, sharks, turtles and other things as well. The Wrapmaster Sustainable Collection, it's a very easy thing to recommend. As an ocean conservation charity, people expect us to be able to sort of lead the way in terms of plastic reduction. Being able to switch from a non-recyclable film to a recyclable film was a big step for us. That's a great way for us to be able to still use cling film but minimise our impact on the environment. We would love within the next few years to go completely plastic free front of house. Working with people that are as sustainable as possible as a company, that have a good environmental policy, is one of the most important things to us at the Deep. So working with a company like Wrapmaster that are taking forward steps is a fantastic thing to be able to do.